I believe that for every success story, you need help from others. CSS is a journey where you need guidance for someone to show you the way. And it has been NOA for me, Sir Farid, Sir Hamza, others. But specifically, I would like to thank Sir Ali Khan for always believing in me on days when I did not believe in myself. For all those who are appearing, who are trying, I would suggest you've got guidance from all my esteemed colleagues. What I would like to say to all of you is never give up, always try harder. Our greatest glory lies not in never falling down, but getting up every time we fall. With this, I would like to thank my colleagues from KPK PMS for getting allocated into PMS and all my colleagues of 46 Common. And towards the end, this one's for my father, who's also from the Pakistan Administrative Service.
First, I would like to thank NOA for organizing such a wonderful and unforgettable event to celebrate our collective success. Secondly, I'd like to thank my esteemed teachers, Sir Ali, Sir Farid, Sir Baba Khail, Sir Hamza Shafqat, Sir Adnan, Sir Zahid, for their efforts in educating and grooming us as future CSP officers.
IRS, it's a great honor for me. I would love to thank Allah and my parents and my family and my friends for my achievement.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बहुत शुक्रिया इधर बुलाने का, अल्लाह ताला का बहुत एहसान है। इतनी मेरी हैसियत नहीं है जिन चीज़ों से अल्लाह ताला ने मुझे नवाजा है, और मैं जितना शुक्र अदा करूँ कम है। उसके बाद मेरे वालिदैन का बहुत शुक्रिया कि जिन्होंने मुझे इस काबिल बनाया कि मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ, और फिर नोआ के तमाम असातिज़ा का जिन्होंने किसी न किसी हैसियत में हर वक्त हर तरीके से कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू एडिशन की जिस तरीके से वो कर सकते थे, और जिसका मैं शुक्रगुज़ार हमेशा रहूँगा। इसके अलावा सब लोगों ने बातें कर ली हैं। बस अल्लाह ताला हम सबको जो अल्लाह ताला ने हमें नवाजा है उसका हक़ अदा करने की तौफीक दे, इंशाअल्लाह, आमीन। और congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank Almighty Allah for bestowing this success upon me. Uske baad, I would like to mention few people. I would dedicate my success to my parents, belonging to a very humble background, and I would start by dedicating few lines to my father. वो ते महरूमी तालीम से मगर मुझको पढ़ाया है, वो ते महरूमी तालीम से मगर मुझको पढ़ाया है, पसीना हद से बढ़कर भी मेरी खातिर बहाया है। कड़ा रहता हूँ शाहों में जो अपना सर उठा कर मैं, कड़ा रहता हूँ शाहों में जो अपना सर उठा कर मैं, मेरे वालिद ने मुझको आज इसी काबिल बनाया है। इसके बाद I would like to thank my mother who has been a sheer support throughout this journey, and last but not the least, I would like to thank my elder brother Saqib Raza, who has been a pillar of strength for me throughout this journey. I would love to tell you, when I went abroad, I thought this chapter is ended. I was starting my postgraduate studies. He was my elder brother who called me that, no Billu, I want you in this service. And I think I still remember the day I started my preparation. Thank you so much, Saqib brother. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.